Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a new hair wig video. Today's hair is from a company called Nadula Hair. Let me just show you guys the box the wig came in. So the wig came inside of here, and how cute. They sent me this robe, and I think it's so cute. It's like a satin goldish colored robe. It's really cute. So I already went and I already did my wig cap method, of course. Y'all already know the routine. So this is the wig. I did bleach the knots, and I also did pluck it because I don't want it to be so thick. So I obviously put makeup on my wig cap, and so now this is how the hair is looking. I just gotta go and glue the wig down. So let's just jump right in and get this wig glued down. Okay, so now that the wig is glued down, I am thinking of doing a side part. For some reason, I got side part in my mind. I kind of wanted to do a middle part, but like I'm so indecisive. So I think I'm just going to go with the side part. I'm gonna do a side part. I've been doing side parts lately. I don't know, it's something about the side part that just been like just making me feel like that girl. Like I don't know, it's something with the side parts, but I'm gonna just do a side part. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna do a side part on here, and then I'm just going to touch up the waves because I want to keep this wavy like look. So I'm just gonna touch up the hair using my curling wand, and the hair is pretty much done. I just got to do the baby hairs. Alright guys, so I had a change of heart, and as y'all can see, I went and I used my crimp. I ended up doing crimps because I felt like the crimps made the wave come out better instead of the wand. I did use the wand, but the curl that it gave me was so different from the hair texture that this hair came in. So for that reason, I decided to use the crimp, and the crimp was the best idea because as y'all can see, like the wave basically came out, so the hair looks like, you know. But with the crimp, you just slide this thing on there and it literally revives any wave that you had. So I'm just gonna continue crimping the rest of the hair, and you guys will see how it comes out. think that looks really, really pretty. So of course I went and did my edges off camera. I feel like I've done my edges on camera so many times. Y'all should know how I do my edges by now. But if you don't worry. There's other videos on my channel showing you how I get my edges, if you guys were wondering. Okay, so I'm just looking at the hairstyle, and I'm just going around, and I'm gonna begin to perfect it to my liking. So even if that means I gotta go touch up the baby hairs or touch up a curl, we gonna get this thing right. Okay. So any like extra hairs that I find, I just like to tear them off. I'll use my tweezer and pluck them out, because I feel like any extra hairs that are not serving a purpose for the hairstyle should not be here. So all right, so I think this looks really, really cute. Like, y'all, this is serving what it was supposed to serve. Okay, so by the way, that was just a wax stick that I bought from the beauty supply. Alright, so these baby hairs are kind of getting on my nerves because I don't want to make them hard, but I want them to stay soft and I want them to curl. But so far, I like it. It's looking really, really cute. Remember, the links for this hair will be in the description down below, so make sure you guys go and definitely check out those links. So this is so far how the hair is looking. I think it looks A1, like no joke. So y'all know, of course, what I gotta do is I gotta go do my makeup. So I'm going to do my makeup off camera, and then when I come back, I'm going to show you guys the final look of how this whole thing came out. Yeah, I'm getting so hot. Every time I sit in front of the ring light, I get extremely hot. Okay, my baby hair is like slightly giving what it's supposed to give. This is the final look of my hairstyle with my makeup. It's giving very much glam. It's giving what it was supposed to. It's giving bad B all day, okay?